Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we are to solve linear inequalities. Refer to the word inequality. We are talking about greater than or equal to, smaller than or smaller than or equal to. If you are to refer to our question, you have the inequality as greater than or equal to. So the way to solve is the same as solving equalities. So you are to solve like solving equation. The first step, we are to bring the 2x to the left. So we are to minus 2x to both sides. The right-hand side, I believe the 2x and minus 2x gets eliminated, leaving you the plus 5. On the left-hand side, 4x minus 2x gives you 2x. Bring the minus 3. The inequality, keep it unchanged, greater than or equal to. And now we are to plus 3 on both sides to remove the minus 3 here. So on the left-hand side, minus 3 and plus 3 gets eliminated, leaving you the 2x. On the right-hand side, 5 plus 3 gives you 8. And the inequality remain unchanged. The last step, we are to divide by 2 to remove the 2 here. On the left-hand side, I believe the 2 and 2 gets eliminated, leaving you x. On the right-hand side, you should get 4, and just keep the sign unchanged, greater than or equal to. Moving on, in a similar way, we are to remove the 3 and 2. Let's start by removing the 3 on the left. So we are to multiply both sides by 3. On the left-hand side, I believe your 3 and 3 gets eliminated, and we are to remove the 2 on the right. We are to multiply both sides by 2 to remove the 2. Fortunately, on the right, you get your 2 and 2 cancelled. And we are to simplify the expression. You have your 2 as multiplier, and inside 2x plus 1, you should put that inside a parenthesis. Smaller than remain unchanged. On the right, you have 3 as the multiplier and put x minus 2 in parentheses. You now should simplify the parentheses by distributing the multiplier to each term inside the parentheses, and we are to do it. I believe you should get 4x plus 2 on the left, and on the right you should get 3x minus 6. The sign keep unchanged, and now we are to solve the inequality like equality. So you have the 3x on the right. We are to eliminate the 3x on the right by minusing 3x. On the right, I believe your 3x and minus 3x eliminates, leaving you minus 6. On the left-hand side, 4x minus 3x to give you x plus 2, and the inequality remain unchanged. The last step, remove the plus 2, minus 2 on both sides. You should get your left-hand side, plus 2 and minus 2 gets eliminated, leaving you a single x, and you should get your final answer as x and minus 8. Always keep the sign unchanged, smaller than. That should be your answer. Moving on, we are to introduce a special rule in solving linear inequality. That is, when you are multiplying or dividing by a negative number, always reverse the sign. Let's look at the first example we have. So we have minus 3x is greater than 15. So this is simply for you to divide both sides by a negative number. I believe on the left hand side, you should have only x remain, and on the right, you should get -5. And this time, since we are dividing by a negative number, we are to reverse the sign. So x should be smaller than -5. Moving on, we are to do one more question. So we first should multiply 4 on both sides. 4 and 4 eliminates, leaving you the numerator. And let me just remove the parentheses directly. You have the coefficient 1. And on the right, 4 times 5 gives you 20. And now we are to keep the sign unchanged because we are multiplying by a positive number. So keep the sign unchanged. And now let's get rid of the 3 on the left. So we -3 on both sides. And that should have your 3 and -3 eliminated, leaving you -2x on the left and 17 on the right. We are performing subtraction, so keep the sign unchanged. The last step, we are to divide both sides by -2 to eliminate the coefficient attached on x. On the left-hand side, I believe your -2 gets eliminated, leaving you x. So x on the right. So you should get -17/2. And now the most important part is here, since you are dividing by a negative number, so you are to reverse the sign. So the greater than or equal to changes to smaller than or equal to. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.